Hello, everyone. There was a significant court decision, U.S. Court of Appeals, the Fifth Circuit on July 7th, that came down related to a constitutional challenge associated with the Louisiana decentralized sales and use tax. And wanted to bring today William Waltman. William's a partner in our Houston indirect tax practice and one of our Louisiana specialists. And William, thanks for joining today and really wanted to get your insights about what we should be thinking about relative to this decision and just trying to traverse kind of the challenges associated with local taxing jurisdictions and the compliance burdens that come to bear there.
Sure. Thanks, Brad. Yeah, so really, the three-judge panel affirmed the lower court decision that the Federal Tax Injunction Act precluded the dispute from being adjudicated in federal court. So they found that if relief were granted, it would stop the collection of Louisiana local sales use taxes from remote sellers completely. So interestingly, prior to that decision, the taxpayer notified the Fifth Circuit that his complaint had already been addressed. So, and that was because two bills had been enacted that intended to simplify Louisiana's sales use tax collection responsive process. One bill requires Louisiana Uniform Local Sales Tax Board, instead of the Department of Revenue, to be responsible for collection and remittance of local taxes from remote sellers. And the other one removed the 200 transaction prong for the economic threshold test. So what this decision really means is that unless or until there's a successful challenge at the state level to Louisiana's tax system, taxpayers need to continue to understand and apply Louisiana's nexus thresholds and compliance requirements as enacted and wait to see if the state's tax simplification regime evolves.
Yeah, I appreciate those insights, William. So what do you think the path forward is for taxpayers that may have struggled with the idea of local tax compliance?
Sure. So states such as Louisiana, Colorado that have the difficult local taxing jurisdictions have been taking steps to simplify the sales and use tax collection and remittance process as a result of the Wayfair decision. And both states have faced litigation. So as remote sellers and marketplace providers continue raising concerns, we expect that the states that have burdensome local remittance systems will continue to explore ways to ease those burdens. So by staying engaged with these policy developments and focusing on improving their data gathering and compliance processes, taxpayers can work towards meeting their obligations in these challenging states.
Thank you for that, William. Obviously, as taxpayers, the burden continues relative to local taxes, but I think there is a path forward, right? Processes, technology, et cetera, that can help ease the burden. We really do appreciate everyone, taking a look at what we had to say on this issue and hope to talk to you again next time. Thanks.
Thanks, Brad.